Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen using Buldak. Begin by boiling 4 cups of water and adding the noodles. While they cook, open the sauce packet and set aside crunchy toppings. When noodles soften but still bite, remove a ladle of cooking water and drain quickly. Mix in the sauce gradually, adding reserved water to reach your preferred glaze. Plate with toppings, taste, and adjust spice if needed. When cooking Buldak ramen, texture matters as much as heat, so test the noodles early. Keep a reserved ladle of cooking water to adjust sauce thickness and temperature without watering down flavor. Toss noodles over high heat for a few seconds to marry sauce and noodle surface, making a shiny, clingy glaze. Balance is important, so taste once and add tiny amounts of water or toppings until the bite and heat feel just right. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you cook, and it pairs perfectly with a busy kitchen. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Enhance Buldak ramen with simple boosts that tame and elevate heat. A soft-boiled egg adds creamy richness that mellows spice without hiding it. A drizzle of sesame oil or a sprinkle of toasted seeds brings a warm, nutty note that pairs well with chili. Bright, acidic elements like quick pickles or kimchi cut through intensity and add crunchy contrast. Finish with green onions for freshness and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.